For number 14, u is equal to x cubed plus 8, so du is 3x squared dx. We don't have the 3, so we'll make the appropriate modifications. This is equal to 1/3 the integral of u squared du. 0 cubed plus 8 is 8. 1 cubed plus 8 is 9. So we have 1/3. U squared turns into u cubed over 3. So this is going to be u cubed, evaluated from 8 to 9. So we have 9 cubed over 9 minus 8 cubed over 9. Because 3 times 3 in the denominator is 9. 9 cubed is, 9 squared is 81, so 9 cubed is 729. 8 cubed would be 64 times 8, which I believe is 512. So we can put that down. So we're looking at, 217 ninths. For number 15, u is going to be our denominator. So du is 2x dx, 2 1/2. So we have 1/2 the integral of du over u. When we plug in 0, we square it and we add 2. When we plug in 3, we square it and we add 2. The antiderivative of du over u is natural log of the absolute value of u. And that's being evaluated from 2 to 11. So we have 1/2 the natural log of 11 minus 1/2 the natural log of 2. That answer is fine. If you remember your log properties, you could also write this as the natural log of 11 over 2 with the 1/2 out front. Either one of those. For 16, u is equal to 3x, so du is equal to 3 dx. We need the 3, and there's the corresponding 1/3. So we have 1/3 the integral cosine u du. We have to triple our bounds. 0 tripled is 0. Pi over 9 times 3 gives us pi over 3. Antiderivative of cosine is sine. So we have 1/3 the sine of u being evaluated from 0 to pi over 3. So that means we have 1/3 of the sine of pi over 3, which you need to know from your trig chart, minus 1/3 the sine of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. The sine of pi over 3 is radical 3 over 2. So this is 1/3 of radical 3 over 2, or root 3 over 6. 17, u is equal to 2x squared plus 1. So du is equal to 4x dx. We have 2x dx. We need to double that. So we got to multiply by 2, which means we need to have 1/2 on the outside. So we have 1/2 the integral of u squared du. 0 squared is 0, double is still 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 squared is 4, doubled is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we're looking at 1/2 times u cubed over 3 when we antiderive the u squared. That's being evaluated from 1 to 9. It means we're really dividing by 6. So this is 9 cubed over 6 minus 1 cubed over 6. We said before that 9 cubed is 729. So we have 729 minus 1 all over 6, or 728 sixths.